here at MoreVisibility. Today's Ask the Expert question is, now that podcast results are available in search, what should we do as an organization next? So as many of you might have heard by now, Google has finally released the ability for users to search, find, and consume podcast content within search results. This is going to be across platforms, whether it's Android, iOS, or desktop browsers. So essentially, Google is helping organizations that consume podcast content by expanding the visibility of that podcast content. Now that content is more easily findable for users, as well as facilitating the ability for those users to consume that content. So not only are there voice search implications, but users can actually also play back that content within the search results. So there's a couple considerations that you should keep in mind as a result of this recent announcement. The first one is structured data markup. So structured data markup for podcasts is what's going to allow your podcast and those episodes to show up in search results. You're going to have the ability to have your name of your podcast show up. You're also going to have the ability for the most recent episodes as well as unique descriptions for each one of those to display. We've pretty consistently been seeing that the 3 most recent episodes are pulling in. Users are going to have the ability to play back right within the search results. So there'll be an embedded playback button that takes users to Google podcast.google.com where they can watch or listen, I should say, to those podcasts, as well as there'll be a link to more episodes that a user can dive into. So if you haven't already, you will want to outline your structured data markup strategy with your SEO and implementation teams. The second consideration is to rethink at a larger scale what your content strategy is going to be now that podcasts are more findable. So in addition to your usual channels for content production, video, social media, blog content, you should really consider how when defining those content themes, that blog post that content production can be impacted by the ability for podcasts to be so easily findable. So if you're just getting started and have some questions or well underway with implementation, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@morevisibility.com.